like Halloween decorations.
It does not
I think
speak.
that's what it is. Look, there's baby bears and mama
Baby bear,
bears.
bear.
Hi,
Who else?
bears,
Bears, so cute.
Little brother bear. And a fashion bear.
What is that? Is that a green horse?
Cannons, a castle.
Is that a zombie horse? It's a zombie horse. Castle. What does that have to do with Christmas? Oh yeah, that's a toy. I get it now.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look, a soldier. A soldier. Guys, look, a soldier.
Reindeer.
Cool.
Santa.
Woo. Look at that reindeer.
You're so cute.
You're so good.
Where's Santa? Where's Santa?
Wow.
Where's Santa?
Gosh, that is so cool.
Here's Rudolph.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. A deer.
Side too.
There's a deer.
Over here, look at
Rudolph and
Stuffies. Rudolph stuffies. I do have a Rudolph, but not this Rudolph.
They make all the toys for all the
They look so cute.
Chains and drums.
I think they kind of made an accident.
And teddy bears.
Oh, it's the workshop.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, it melted. Look, Elf Toys Shop.
Wait, shop.
Looking straight at you.
Oh, Sash, look, the bears
Oh,
are skating.
oh, we're going
They're
in.
playing hockey.
What's in the mystical cave? It's very cold in here.
Yeah, it does play hockey.
Nothing just scares in here.
Yeah, the hockey game. Olaf. Olaf.
Where? Where's Olaf? There's Olaf.
Right there.
Olaf. It's Olaf.
Santa and Rudolph.
Wait, shh.
Yeah, Sash.
Show you something.
Is it so many lights?
Christmas song.
A lot of lights. Oh, the music.
What's happening here?
Looking for something.
He's sledding. Look at the pretty. Can you see that?
Oh,
It's getting louder.
there it is. Mama likes
The radio's right there.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Is that an angel?
Oh my God,
Nemo.
Cookie Factory.
Oh my God, it's a T-Rex.
Cookie factory.
And a Rottweiler.
Wow.
That guy's controlling a dinosaur.
They're really double duty.
He's not a
An
dinosaur.
elf on a dinosaur.
Yeah, I've never heard of that.
I love it.
And a stegosaurus.
And they have presents there. Santa. 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 Look, I love you, Santa. And bye, Santa. Have a good New Year. A Happy New Year. Ooh, look. Leaves. Ooh, what's that? A sign. Sign up what?
Wow, I'm using lots of storage on recording this.
It's okay. They're in school.
I'm looking everywhere so I can see everything. They're singing.
Oh dear.
Most terrible song ever. Oh, that's a good song.
There's a rat
Where?
on the fence.
Oh, right. Valley Park.
Oh.
I think I saw that. It was like a birdie. I think that was it.
Yeah.
Someone's birthday, penguin's birthday. A penguin on presents. Oh, Santa's stuck.
Presents in there. Oh, there's
Santa, you need help.
Hey, it's moving.
I don't think he needs help. Rudolph! Rudolph.
Santa moves.
I know. Very shy. Very shy. Nina. Hey, there's penguins in the sleigh. Thought they're snowmen. No, Rudolph. Rudolph the red. No,
Which one's the real Rudolph?
Oh no. I pinched his nose. I wanted to make it squeak. I don't think I can make it squeak. Hey, look at those fence. The fence. The fence there, the fence. We kind of missed it. We missed the fence, but it's okay. Nothing. Logs. See those? There's logs.
Do you want a toque, Sash?
The logs have something to do with Christmas. Yeah, they do. Oh, an angel. angel. You see that? A golden
Yeah.
angel.
What does that say?
I don't know, but
Read it.
look. What's it? Something on Earth?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Peace.
Peace on Earth. You just see that? What's that? Tree sap?
Yep.
Ew. Ew, that's gross. Ooh, there's a playground. There goes a little playground. There goes some soldiers. Look, there's a little playground there. Do you see that? There's a little playground.
I don't know the plan.
You staying over where?
I call the Blue Pouch. Yeah. I call the Blue Pouch.
Me and Pop are calling.
Yeah, but we're home by 9.
Yeah, we're gonna be there. We'll play some games.
Wow, wow, wow.
And get everything ready and play a game.
When are we gonna go back to start?